Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about switching versus routing. To be more specific, we will focus on MAC address table and ARP table. MAC address table is an outcome of switching activity, whereas ARP table is an outcome of routing activity. In order to discuss this further, let's consider two topologies. In my first topology, two PCs are connected via L2 switches and there is no management IP configured for these two L2 switches. In my second topology, two PCs are connected via routers. As there is no IP address configured in those two switches, you would not see any ARP table because ARP table help us to resolve MAC address for my next hop IP address. Now let's see ARP table for switch 1. As you can see, there is no ARP entry. Let's see the IP address of PC1 and IP address of PC2. You can see both PCs are using IP address from the same subnet. Now let's see the ARP table for PC1. As you can see, there is no ARP entry. Let's try to see MAC address table of switch 1. You can see it shows MAC entry for switch 2. Similarly, let's see MAC address table for switch 2 is showing only one MAC entry for switch 1. Now let's try to ping PC2 from PC1. Ping 10.10.12.2. We can see now ping response from PC2. Now let's see PC1's ARP table. Now it's showing one ARP entry which is MAC address for PC2. Now let's see the ARP table for PC2. It's showing MAC entry for IP address of PC1. At this moment, let's see the MAC address table from switch 1. Now it shows three entries. One is for PC2, one entry for PC1 and another entry for switch 2. So this way we can see that ARP table always have entry for its next hop IP address. That means instead of having two switches, if we have 20 switches, which is our L2, at that moment as well, in the ARP entry, we always see ARP entry for PC2 from PC1. Let's see the ARP entry for my next topology. Now here, if we see ARP entry from router 1, show ARP, it's showing four entries. One is for its own interface, which is gig 01 and connected with router 2. One is for gig 01 for router 2, gig 00 which is connected with PC3. And as you can see, there is no edge entry for its own local MAC address entry, which is here the first entry and third entry. And it has edge entry for its next hop IP address. Let's try to see IP address configuration from PC1. As you can see, it's showing IP address 10.10.13.1 which is connected with router 1. Now let's see IP address of PC2, which definitely is different subnet as compared to PC3. And as you can see, it's showing IP address 10.10.24.4 which is connected with router 2. Now let's see the ARP table of PC3. At this moment, there is no ARP entry. Let's try to ping first IP address of gig 00 from router 1. Ping 10.10.13.1. Now, as you can see, we are getting response from router 1 gig 00 interface. Now let's see ARP entry. So it's showing its next hop IP address, which is 10.10.13.1, which is router 1's gig 00 IP and its corresponding MAC address entry. Let's try to ping from PC3 to PC4, which are in different network, and I already configured default gateway for both PCs, as well as I have entered static route in both routers. So our ping should work from PC3 to PC4. Let's try to ping PC4 from PC3. Ping 10.10.24.4. Now you can see we are getting response from PC4. Let's see ARP entry from PC3. Still now it is showing the ARP resolution, which is for its default gateway. Let's see if there are any ARP entries differences in router 1. As you can see, there is no additional entries from router 1. And in ARP table, we always get entries for its next hop IP. I hope this information is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.